There's something on your mind by the way you look at me. There is something on your mind, baby, by the way you look at me. What you're thinking brings happiness, oh, and it'll bring misery. Please, please don't try to tell me. I think I understand. No, no, don't try. Cause I think I understand. You want me to try and forget you? Well, I'll do the best I can.
You know, it hurts you when you're in love with someone and you know that someone don't love you. It carries a heavy burden on your heart to know that the someone that you're in love with is in love with your best friend. And I'll tell you, when someone else is rocking your cradle, you know better than you can rock your cradle yourself. Then it's only one thing for you to do. You just pack your clothes, turn around, and slowly walk out of the door. Look over your left shoulder as you go out. Then you hang your head and you say, oh, please don't try to tell me. I think I understand. No, 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 no. Please don't try to tell me. Because you think I understand. Oh, you want me to try to forget you, baby. And I'll tell you, I'll do the best I can. You know, after you have done all you could do and you can't take no more, then you go downtown and you get your big baseball bat. You come back on the scene where they both are still together. And then you just go and kick down the door. And as you kick down the door, you just start beating the hell out of everybody that you can see. Everybody that comes through the door. And just as you make up your mind that you're going to try to forgive her, then out comes another one of your friends. And that really blows your mind. So you go and think about it. You say to yourself, babe, I realize I've done wrong, but